Okay, so I already prepped my nails and everything. Prepped my falsies, got my colors out that I want to use. I try so hard not to get air bubbles, and then I got bunny hair all over my house, so it always ends up on my nails. But I was trying to save my nails that I did last week, and I filed the color off and whatever, and it just was not working out. When I painted over it, it still was bumpy, so I just ended up taking them off. So of course I use a nail dehydrator and a primer, and I also filed the inside of my nails to make them adhere better, and then I use a nail dehydrator on the back side of the nail. I have my 4-in-1 nail glue for nails and tips. I have the coupon codes in my link tree. I can't find my other stand, so I can't really record me doing my nails, but I'm trying. And I like to do like a couple of fingers on each hand, so each hand isn't like all the way done. And I put that on, I blow it. And then I put a thin coat. I don't want it to be too thick or the back of the nail. And I also put on my nail. And I try to hold it at like an angle, but sometimes it's easier said than done. I remember one time I did my nail and it ended up being crooked. I was like, it was already glued on and I couldn't take it off. This is for 60 seconds. Then I cure it again just to make sure that it's all the way on. And I check to see if it's secure by see if it left before I move on to the next one. So I want to make sure they stay at least a couple. Okay, I got my nails on. Now I'm going to paint them with the top coat and that gel polish and hope for the best.
So boy then, so you just found out you've got a child.